Hello, I am 若. Predicting the future impact of an event is difficult. Today, let's look at the story of 塞翁. 塞翁失马,焉知非福. It comes from 淮南子,人间. 塞, 边塞, border fortress. 翁, a respectful title for an older male. 失去 loss. 马 horse. 焉知怎么知道 How can one be sure? 非不是 not. 福 bless. Many years ago, an old man raised horses near the border. One day, one of his horses ran away. Everyone felt sorry for him, but he thought, maybe this will turn out to be a good thing. A few months later, the horse returned on its own, brought several other fine horses with it. People came to congratulate him, but he was worried and said, maybe something bad is going to happen because of this. As he expected, his son fell off one of the new horses while riding and broke his leg. Once again, he thinks maybe this will be a good thing. A year later, a war broke out. Many young men were conscripted and died on the battlefield. Because his son had a broken leg, he was unable to go to the battlefield and the survived. We use this idiom to say that you can't immediately judge whether an event is good or bad. Things that seem bad can sometimes lead to a good outcomes, and vice versa. So it's wise not to rush to conclusions. Usually when you hear this phrase, you only hear the first phrase, 塞翁失马, but it still contains the whole meaning of the phrase. Similar idiom we have 因祸得福, a blessing in disguise. It refers to someone encountering a disaster but gaining benefits from it. It comes from 醒世恒言卷9陈多寿生死夫妻. Our male character was called 陈多寿, and our female character was called 朱多福. They are 指腹为婚, which means they were engaged before they were born. 指腹为婚, it refers to the practice where two couples agree to betroth their unborn children while their wives are still pregnant. If the wives give birth to a boy and a girl, the agreement stipulates that these children will marry each other when they grow up. Now go back to our story. 多寿 contracted a severe disease at 15, leaving him disfigured. While Dwarf's mother sought to annul the marriage, Dwarf vowed to 生为陈家妇, 死为陈家贵. As long as I live, I am his wife. Even if I died, I still belong to their family. She said this to emphasize that whether she lives or dies, she is a member of the Chen family. 多寿, not wanting to burden her, wrote a letter of divorce to urge her to remarry. But 多福 responded with her verse, Through fate brings illness, our bond remains unbroken. Time flowed on. A decade later, 多寿 lost the will to live due to a chronic illness and attempted suicide by poison. Miraculously, the poison cured his illness. The couple finally has a blissful life. 有一个人站在电视机前面，碎碎念着“塞翁失马，焉知非福”。今天的损失就是明天的收获啊！ There's a person standing in front of the TV, muttering, 塞翁失马，焉知非福 Today's loss is tomorrow's gain, 他干嘛对着电视机喃喃自语啊 Why is he muttering to the TV? 从4月份到现在，股市跌了又涨，涨了又跌，刺激太大，吓疯了。From April until now, the stock market has gone up and down, up and down. It's been too much stimulus that has driven him nuts. 他因为摔断腿，没有办法去旅行，却得知要投诉的旅馆发生了大火。他侥幸避开，也算是因祸得福吧。He was unable to travel because of a broken leg, but he learned that a fire had broken out in the hotel where he was going to stay. He luckily avoided it, which was a blessing in disguise. Now let's have a quick review. 塞翁失马，焉知非福，因祸得福。Both phrases emphasize the long-term impact and the transformation of events, along with the unpredictability between good and bad. 塞翁失马 usually used when we don't know how things will go. 因祸得福 is used when something has already happened and we conclude. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.